So going straight to what is intelligence document processing. I'm seeing here a lot of people working in technology, so I'm assuming OCR rings a bell. OCR is a pretty mature technology, and if you'd like to see it this way, intelligence document processing is just a new generation of what traditionally was called OCR. It's not really the same, and in fact brings a lot of new approaches to the problem. But before I elaborate more on that, let me just share with you that intelligence document processing is a way to cope with one of the major challenges nowadays for companies. 80% of the information that is exchanged worldwide between companies is unstructured data. And unstructured data is anything that ranges from a document to a photo, to a chatbot interaction, to an email, to a video, a sound, something that contains critical business information, but at the same time is not prepared to be automatically digestible in your software. So this means that there's an efficiency gap here. You receive a lot of information, you need some of the data that is present within that information, but is not actionable until you deploy some staff, some people to digest all this content. So intelligence document processing aims at helping companies to overcome this challenge of unstructured data processing, making and opening the door for what is called hyperautomation. Okay, and that is the reason why it's so connected to robot process automation. So there was this first wave of RPA projects where people automated the most simplest processes with very simple projects, like rule-based processes, like copy pasting from an Excel spreadsheet to a form. So these were the first quick wins on automation. But as we automate those, it becomes more and more difficult to find suitable processes where you have a business case. And the reason why it's so difficult is because most of these processes rely on unstructured data. And by relying on unstructured data, it's impossible to deploy a robot that is traditional rule-based to handle scenarios that are far from being standard. Okay, so this is why intelligence document processing and RPA are side by side, providing the ability to automate more complex processes and in what we call hyperautomation or cognitive automation.